Finding the right printer for a specific situation can be challenging. Some people need printers for everyday needs, some require high-quality photos, and others are in search of an office printer. Whatever the case may be, the right printer is out there. It's just difficult to find it at times. The first step you should take is to choose a brand name. If you want to play it safe and stick with a brand that has a reputation for superior quality and excellent customer service, then go with Canon. We'll be reviewing one of Canon's printers here, which is the Canon Pixma mx7600. Prior to reading this review, you should know that this model can work for anyone, but is best suited for an office situation, large or small, and for someone in need of high-quality photo prints and scans. The Canon Pixma mx7600 sells for just under $400. This is well above the average price for a Canon printer. The question is if the price can be justified. To begin, this model has an average customer rating of 3.9 out of 5, which is pretty good yet not stellar. The reason that rating isn't higher is because of one specific issue. That issue will be discussed below. For now, let's focus on the positives. The Canon Pixma mx7600 is one of the few Canon models to use the PGR ink system. This is a combination of high-intensity black pigment ink, clear ink and specially formulated color pigment inks. The biggest advantage of having this system is that you can use plain paper and still get impeccable quality. This isn't the case with many other models. In those cases, you need to use Canon photo paper for good quality with any form of image. With this ink system, 6 individual ink tanks, and a print head ejecting ink droplets as small as 2 picolitres, resolution will reach as high as 4800 x 1200 color DPI. When it comes to speed, the Canon Pixma mx7600 can produce a 4x6 borderless photo in 43 seconds. This is slightly better than average. If you're looking to print in bulk, it can produce 28 pages per minute black and 33 pages per minute color. This is also slightly better than average. The fax function works on Super 3G speed. It can also hold up to 100 speed dial codes and 250 incoming pages. There are several convenience features as well. This model is PicBridge compatible, meaning you can print directly from any digital cameras, DV camcorders, and camera phones. You can also use Ethernet. In addition to that, you will have an automatic document feeder that can store up to 35 originals, auto-duplexing, and a dual paper tray. Therefore, you will be able to print and scan at the same time and you will always be print ready. There are a few negatives for the Canon Pixma mx7600, but only one of them is a serious issue. The particular negative, as well as what single-handedly drove this model's customer score down, is that it's difficult to find ink cartridges for this machine. The main reason for this is that you can't buy them in a store. They must be bought online. That being the case, if you run into an emergency, you have to wait for the cartridge to be shipped, which can be frustrating. Other negatives are that this model has a large footprint and fax use can be complicated for a novice.